As Kyle, Dayspring Trailers. Today we have brand new on the lot a 2025 Alcom Snopro 18-foot long enclosed snowmobile trailer. This trailer is on 6,000 or 3,000 pound axles for a total gross weight of 6,000 pounds. The box itself is 18 feet long plus 4 feet of additional nose space, giving it a lot of interior space. This trailer has 9 inches of extra interior height for a total inside height of just over 7 feet. As you can see, we got updated premium wheels. We have two 12-inch side fuel doors on the driver's side, along with a 78-inch man door. Coming back to the rear, the big, huge rear opening here is 93 inches wide, with an inside or outside height of 82 inches to the opening height. You can see we have this set up with slides and paddle grabbers. Inside, the walls and ceiling are all outfitted with Luan vinyl walls and ceiling for a nice clean white appearance. There's LED dome lights and a functioning rooftop vent. Lots of spacious interior space here. These Snopro trailers are set up with 2 sets of slide track that go the full length of the trailer, and with these sliding D-rings you can set them at any distance and tighten them down, no matter if you're hauling side-by-sides, quads, or your snow machines. The rear of the trailer is outfitted with our rear spoiler and loading lights, which adds a nice appeal and helps with those nighttime, late night snow loading runs. If you have any questions about this trailer or any other trailers, come reach us at dayspringtrailers.com or 503-666-7300.